In this video, I'll show you how to restore missing chat history on Facebook Messenger. So for that, open up your Messenger app, then go to the three dash icon in the bottom right corner, which is menu. And now here, once you are inside it, you will see archive. Just click on it. And here you will see all the archive messages which are hidden from your chat box because they were archived. If you do not find your messages over here, just go back and let's move to the step number 2. That is to use the search bar. Go to the search bar at the top and here you can try searching the person name or keyframe of the chat and all the chat history will be shown over here. If the chat still exists in your account, if this also do not solve your problem, go back, which is to check or download your Facebook data. So here, if the chat still doesn't appear, then you can try recovering it through the Facebook data download feature. And here is how you can do that. Open up your Facebook account and make sure you are logged in. Click on the three dash in the profile icon in the top right corner if you are on Android and in the bottom right corner if you are on iOS. And from here, tap on the gear icon, which is settings, and here you have to tap on the option labeled as see more in account center. Tap on your information and permissions, and here you simply have to tap on export your information, and here click on create export and then select the profile and click on export to device, and here you have to choose date range, format and media quality. After done, you can click on start export and it will export all your chat history that are available in your account. If these also do not help you, then unfortunately Facebook do not allow users to get back permanently deleted messages from account. In that case, you can ask the person in the next scene to send a screenshot of your old messages. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.